Hi there, my name is Abdul Jalil. Today I'm going to show you how to translate a document to another language inside Microsoft Word. Before, when translating a document, you copy it from Microsoft Word and paste it into Google Translate or Bing Translate. Gone are those days. Now you can do that directly inside Microsoft Word. And it is extremely easy to do. So why don't we jump on the PC? So I'll show you how it is done. Okay, before we start, let me acknowledge our sponsors, those who help us with credit and data to do this kind of videos for you. So this is my sponsor, Gadfy.com. Gadfy, when you go to Google, you type Gadfy.com, it will appear. So let's go to home. Okay, this is Gadfy.com. It is an online marketplace. You can sell, you can also buy from Gadfy.com. This is the new look of Gadfy.com. So if you are new here, you just come here. Let me log out and show you how it is. Okay, now I'm logged out. You want to register, you are here to sell or buy. Look at the what are available here. You can also sell your product here. You can sell your product here. So first thing, when you come, you go to get registered. You want to register. First, you use your Facebook account to log in or log out. So log in with your Facebook or come and register here. If you don't have a Facebook account, come register here. Put your username, your email and your password here. And after that, you confirm your password and you click register. Okay, I'm registered. So let me log in and show you. So let me use my Facebook and log in. Okay, it will ask me my password. Let me tap it. Continue. Okay, simple. So when you come, if you want to buy, just write what you want to buy. The name of the product you are searching for, search it here. Or if it is a category, come here. Let me see, like automotive. Let's go and search for it. If it is there, you will see what you want. Here you can see we have automotive, we have trackers. Okay, so what you want to buy is, now if you are selling, you register, you go to my account, you submit an ad here, and your ad will be shown here. So when people come, they'll also see your ad. They can call you. Let me see, for instance, this motorbike is 25,000. okay, click on it. If you are interested, go through it, watch the pictures and call the seller. Reveal, you see the seller, you reveal, you see the seller's number there. You call the seller, you arrange with him or her and go and check the product. If it is the one you are looking for, you pay, you bring your mechanic, he take a look at it, you buy and you go. So you too, you buy from him. If you want you to submit your ad, people come, they will see your ad. Okay, that is all. Welcome here. So now we are on the PC. We want to demonstrate it here and see. We have this text here. You want to translate it. Before, you have to copy it and take it to Google Translate, paste it, change your language here, let's say Hausa, or let's say French. Let's go to French. French here. So you see it is translated. It has translated this. So if you want, you copy it from here. You can just listen to it here.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Abdul Jalil.
You can see.
Aujourd'hui, je vais vous montrer.
Okay. Now, this is a long process. Or you take it to Bing Translator. Like this, you copy it and paste. You get your French or any language you want. You finish, you can edit it from here. You can listen to it here, like this. Let me play it and see.
Bonjour, là mon nom, Abdul Jalil.
You see? Okay.
Aujourd'hui,
Okay. Now you can copy it from here, copy. So when you copy it, you go back to your document, you paste it. So this one is a long process. So we have the simplest and shortest one here. What you do is, in Word, you come to review here, come to translate. We have two types of translation. We can translate a section or translate the whole document. So let me demonstrate it. A section like this. If you didn't select it, or let's see, let me show it. Like I selected this one, I choose a section. Only that highlighted will be translated. So I chose Arabic, so you see it has translated it here. Okay. Or you choose the document. From here, let's see, you choose translate document. So it will translate the whole document into your selected language. I selected Arabic, that is why it has selected Arabic for me. So let me show it once again. So you see I have this one here. I want to translate it to, let's say, Dutch. You go translate, it will translate. Where is it? This is the Dutch version. No, this is the English. This is the Dutch version. Hello there. I can't read this one. Okay, let me use the one I can read, so you know my translation was perfect. Okay, let's go to, let me choose French. Okay, translate. Bam, it is here. Bonjour là, mon nom Abdul Jalil. Aujourd'hui, je vais vous montrer comment traduire votre document dans une autre langue directement dans Microsoft Word. As you can see, the translation is done. You will not copy it and paste it. That one will take a long time, will take a lot of time. So this one is just simple. You come to review, go to translate document. Let me translate it back to English. So you just choose your language, your preferred language here. Let's say I'm translating to Arabic. Let me see. Okay, Arabic is here. Okay, translate. Okay, it went to Arabic. مرحبا، اسمي عبد الجليل. اليوم سأوضح لك كيفية ترجمة المسند الخاص بك إلى لغة الأخرى مباشر في Microsoft Word. As you can see, it is already translated. So it is very, very simple. Just come to review, translate, choose your preferred one. Is it a section or all? You just choose your language here, Done. Simple. Very, very simple. It's not too hard. So thank you very much. So if you have watched the video up to this level, it means you have learned a lot. And if you like the video, don't forget to give a thumb up so you can continue doing the video. And don't forget to subscribe and bell the notification bell, so anytime we upload a new video, you get a notification, so you can also be in the family. Thank you very much.